Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. Mercedes-Benz has been chipping away at the replacement for the present E-Class and C-Class in car and convertible structures for over a year now. The German organization needs to improve on its arrangement and supplant the two entryway models with a solitary new vehicle, referred to for the present as the CLE-Class. The new lively expansion to the arrangement is supposed to make a big appearance towards the finish of this current year, yet we have another selective delivering to review its plan. This advanced drawing shows a well-molded open-top Mercedes situated somewhere close to the CLE with regards to its aspects. It is a conventional convertible with a delicate top rooftop and space for 4 travelers sitting on isolated seats. It seems to be the ongoing C-Class toward the front, yet remember we anticipate that this new model should be somewhat longer than a C-Class with 2 entryways. In spite of the fact that we've just seen the Cabriolet CLE up to this point, as per informal data, the new model will likewise be accessible as a roadster. The convertible imagined here, in the meantime, may likewise look a great deal like the new Mercedes-AMG SL, however it will assume an alternate part inside the brand's arrangement. Likewise, the CLE has a more limited hood since it will utilize just 4-chamber motors, even in the AMG variants, very much like the new C63. The SL Roadster has a form with a V8 motor under the cap. It is likely hard to tell the specific length of the new CLE simply by seeing this delivering. However, we have the data. It will be 190.15 inches, 4.83 meters, long, or almost a similar length as the ongoing E-Class coupe. The CLE family will at first comprise just of vehicles with 2 entryways, however a replacement to the CLS is additionally at present a work in progress, and it very well may be important for this new setup of vehicles. However, nothing can be affirmed for the occasion. The new CLE is supposed to make a big appearance in the not-so-distant future and go marked down in 2023 as a convertible and a roadster. Hope to see a similar motor reach as the new C-Class, and that implies the reach besting C63 rendition will depend on an electric 2.0-liter motor.